Carpetweed is a summer annual known to grow rampant in a variety of environments, from garden beds to railroad tracks. Soon after sprouting, they'll create large mats of weeds, choking areas where the grass is low or thin. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. When carpetweed emerges in spring, it can easily be distinguished by its seedlings. This plant emerges as a small rosette. As it matures, the stems grow prostrate, they can redden, and they radiate outwards, forming a circular mat up to 2 feet across and up to 5 inches in height. The leaves grow in a whorl arrangement, meaning several leaves, at least 3, grow and radiate around a single node. The leaves are a slender, ovular shape that tapers to the thin petiole attached to the stem. The leaves are also waxy, with smooth edges. From July to September, carpetweed will grow flowers in small clusters. When the flowers bloom, the petals are white or greenish-white. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Carpetweed is a summer annual. It thrives on thin turf or turf that is younger. This weed grows well in moist soil, but can also grow in drier environments. Carpetweed germinates later in the year than most other summer annuals, so it's easy for this low-growing weed to go unnoticed. Common sites include, but are not limited to, gardens, newly planted lawns, and along roadsides. Look for seedlings when the plant is young and larger mats later in its growing season. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate carpetweed that's already established on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure the property's turf grass. If you have carpetweed growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-Amine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. If you have carpetweed growing on properties with warm season grasses, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. For spot applications, mix 0.2 ounces of this product per 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when making applications over St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. For either of these products, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld sprayer. Spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-Diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. If carpetweed is a reoccurring problem in your lawn, you can prevent it by applying a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turf grass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least ½ an inch of water. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-5-10 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop carpetweed from overtaking turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.